Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's Stacy here. In this video I'm going to share with you guys a kind of meal I ate to lose 2 kilograms in a week. So yeah, in my previous video I shared with you guys how I did my smoothie meal prep. It was for this diet. So yeah, this is like the smoothie diet where I replace my breakfast and lunch with smoothies or juice. So yeah, I just made my celery juice, and to that I added some lime juice to it, and then I'm having it. It actually tastes terrible, but we move. Yeah, so I'm going to have that first thing in the morning. That's like my breakfast. I make my smoothie, my celery juice. So just blend up the stalk and the leaves, and then strain it and pour it into my jar. So yeah, that's what I'm having this morning, and I'm going to go ahead and prepare my dinner. Before, I will show you guys what I have for lunch. So remember, I'm replacing my breakfast and lunch with juice or smoothie. So I'm going to show you guys what I had for lunch at the end, but right now let's just go ahead and let's prepare my dinner. So for dinner I'll be having cauliflower rice, and yeah, I'm just going ahead and prepping that. So I bought this a couple of days ago and just left in the fridge. That's why the color seems to have changed a little bit. But yeah, I'm just going to prep that and transfer it later to my blender cup, because I'm going to blend this up, or to chop this up into finer particles or pieces. Yeah, so that it looks like rice. So that's what I'm just going to do right now. Just so you know, if you don't have a food processor like this, you can go ahead and use your grater. So a grater will also do the job. It's just that it's going to take a while, but it still gets the job done. So with this diet, you can choose to make all your 3 meals smoothies, but I chose to make just 2, my first 2 meals, breakfast and lunch, and then for dinner I'll have like a normal meal, but no heavy carbohydrates like rice and all of that. So that's why I'm replacing the real rice with cauliflower rice. So just eat something light. You add your proteins, fats and everything, but make sure it's within the caloric range. Now I'll go ahead and just dry the cauliflower in a pan. As you can see, it looks a little bit soggy, so I just want to dry up the water a bit, and now this is how it looks. So this is how you want it to look, and then I'll go ahead and just take it off. I want to make cauliflower fried rice, so yeah, I'll go ahead and then fry my eggs I'm using 4 eggs. I don't want to use more than this, so yeah, I'm using 4 whole eggs, and I'm just going to fry them up. As you can see, I already have some stir-fried veggies to which I'm going to add the cauliflower rice in. So yeah, I'm going to add that into the pan and then stir it well. And finally, I'm going to go ahead now and add the eggs, and then just mix everything together, and then you have your stir fried or fried cauliflower rice. So yeah, this is very delicious, very interesting, and I love to eat this. So this is the final meal. I just went ahead and added some grilled chicken to my rice. So yeah, you want to make sure you have your protein. So I have my cauliflower rice and some grilled chicken. So this is the meal, guys. And for lunch, remember I said I was going to share what I had for lunch. For lunch I had some smoothie. So if you want to know all about it, check my previous video where I did the smoothie prep. So I already prepped. I just take them out from the freezer and into my blender cup, and I blend them up, and then I just have them. Everything has already been measured, so it's easier that way. No need to stress. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe to my channel and like the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.